Hey, what's up guys? The topic of today's video is how to pick master locks in Skyrim. Now, to be fair, I was not picking a master lock in this video because, well, everyone was watching me and I have performance issues. So I decided to go for the expert lock because it was, well, the only lock I could get to really fast. Now, the rules are all pretty much still the same, so don't fuss. It's all about listening for an audio cue, and I am not the originator of this. It's probably been covered 10 billion times, and I found it on Reddit, so I wanted to make a video on it. I don't get to make Skyrim videos, so yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna stop my yapping, and let's see if we can get this master lock open. Okay, so now you see the first time I tried there, I missed it, but I did hear the audio cue. So it's my assumption that once you move your pick, it also resets because it was definitely at the bottom there. But you see, I got it on the second attempt. So it's that audio cue. Listen for that click. Make sure it's not the click from just moving your pick. So move really slowly. I can do this pretty easy because I'm using a controller. My vibration is busted, so I can't use that trick. So listening for the audio cue works just as well. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you for more maybe random videos like this.